Ecoglo International was established in 1997 and has developed advanced photoluminescent technology to create high-visibility emergency exit signs and evacuation route products. Ecoglo recently launched its revolutionary next-generation hybrid PL exit sign. The hybrid sign combines Ecoglo's internationally recognised photoluminescent technology with latest technology LEDs and cutting-edge patented electronics. Ecoglo designed the hybrid with the buyer in mind. The result is a sign which is energy efficient, cost-effective and sustainable. Other key benefits include no batteries, durable, 10-year warranty. Wired into the electrical lighting circuit, an array of LEDs is driven continuously from the electrical mains. The light produced by the LEDs charges the photoluminescent energy storage panel. This energy is re-emitted as light to illuminate the sign during a power outage. Enormous effort and cost has gone into battery technology, but it hasn't eliminated the inherent issues around maintenance, recharge times, replacement and disposal of batteries, as well as the ever-present fire hazard. Because there is no battery, inspection and maintenance is a simple process, reducing ongoing maintenance costs. Ecoglo's hybrid sign meets the requirements of NCC EP4.2 as a performance solution. Standards Australia recently published SA TS5367, which was developed to provide a specification for hybrid signs that can sit alongside Specification 25, formerly E4.8, in the NCC. SA TS5367 specifies the minimum requirements for the specification, installation, charging, lighting and operation of hybrid photoluminescent exit signs. It is anticipated that SA TS5367 will be referenced in the 2025 edition of the NCC Building Code of Australia. In the meantime, SA TS5367 can be used to confirm that a hybrid sign will meet E4.2, the NCC performance requirements for exit signs. The following organisations support SA TS5367 2021. Ecoglo, cost-effective, sustainable, durable. Ecoglo, visibly better.